we are in La Feria, Texas. Today is, what's today? The 24th? 24th of July, a day after the hurricane. And this is the entrance, Canal Street, to where Grandpa's house is, Mom and Dad's house is, where Junior's staying. We had to go rescue him. Got him some cold water and everything. Here's the mini. Daddy and baby. Grandma and Grandpa. Saluden.
Hey.
Let's send this to Hawaii.
Saludos a las nenas de Hawái y a toda la familia hawaiana.
Say hi.
Bye. Dile bye, papá.
Daniel.
Bye.
Daniel. Alright, he's too busy.
Bye.
There's the truck. We went in the truck to
FEMA truck.
the FEMA truck to pick up Junior. We're actually taking some water and some food, but the streets are flooded. I wish I would have took a picture of the house, but I didn't want to risk taking the camera in there. So anyways, that's that. It is, can you see the street sign? North Canal, something. Alright. What's that? And here I am. Look at this one. Somebody needs a haircut. Little Daddy.
Haircut.
Daniel, say zapatos. Zapatos. No? Oh. So this is the old 83. And that's what everybody's taking instead of the freeway. Alright. So let's say bye.
Bye.
Bye.